Today we will be discussing Paper 6, European and Non-European Writing Part 1, Optional English BA Semester 5, Session 20. The short fiction that we are discussing today is Franz Kafka's The Hunger Artist. The Hunger Artist, it is the most celebrated and studied short story written in 1922. The Hunger Artist, along with three other stories published in 1924. Story deals with negotiations of artists with society. The story feels at once dreamlike and utterly real. It seems true to life. A subtle and dark strain of humor runs through the story. The artist alienated, misunderstood, and victimized by the society. Let us know the characters of the story. In Europe, a man known as the Hunger Artist travels from town to town professionally fasting. Travels with the impresario, his manager, put on display in a locked cage for 40 days without sustenance. Large crowds of people, especially children, gather to witness the performances, and he even answers the questions. Panther replaces the Hunger Artist in his cage after he dies. Escorts young ladies escort the Hunger Artist out of the cage at the end of his fasts. The Overseer. The Overseer, a circus manager who discovers the Hunger Artist dying in his cage. The point of view of the story is, it is told through the third person perspective. The perspective is limited. Narrator is selective with the information shared. Focuses primarily on the Hunger Artist thoughts. The setting of the story is, there is no mentioned date, so the story is probably set around the time of publication in the 1920s. There was not a lot of technology, so people looked to the other forms of entertainment like the Hunger Artist and the circus. A Hunger Artist is a brief but striking parable of alienation. It was probably written in February 1922. He had just returned to Prague after a 4-week vacation prescribed by his doctor as a sort of shock treatment to arrest his advancing tuberculosis and deepening depression. The basic outline of the story is drawn from the real-life phenomena of professional fasting, which was a popular form of entertainment in Kafka's time. Giovanni Zucchi, an Italian, turned fasting into profession, fasting in public more than 30 times. However, the popularity of professional fasting underwent a sharp decline in 1920s. The Hunger Artist is often described as a parable or an allegory. A parable is a short story carrying a moral or a spiritual message, which an allegory is a narrative with a sustained symbolic meaning. The title Hunger Artist, not the Hunger Artist, is significant, indicating that there are many kinds of hunger and many kinds of artists expressing different needs. The fact that the characters are not given names but are referred to in their roles, the Hunger Artist, the impresario, the manager, also add to the parable-like quality. The story has the ambiguity famously associated with Kafka and is rich in symbols. The cage, the panther, the clock, and above all, the hunger artist himself. Many critics believe the hunger artist represents the fate of the artist in the 20th century. What was once an honored and respected position is now considered irrelevant. Kafka explores how art relates to life, the conflict between the artist and society, the alienation of the artist, and the cost of artistic perfection. Initially, the hunger artist enjoys the food of public acclaim and respect, for the public shared and appreciated his values. By the end of the story, the audience's interest and values have changed, and there is no place for the hunger artist's talents and beliefs. The religious imagery could also suggest that the story is an allegory of the modern world's rejection of faith. The artist then represents the spiritual side of human beings, while the panther represents the physical or the material side of untimely winds. The hunger may then be understood as a desire for religious certainty, and fasting as a stubborn abstention from a faith without God.